Start prayer. Start the prayer. Anyone? I think you have remember the prayer.
Lord of
Sabgun, start
all,
the prayer.
Lord of all and understanding today. Let me
Lord
grow
of
in
all
knowledge.
power and might, give me
Give
wisdom
me
and
wisdom and understanding today.
today.
Let
Let me
me
grow in
grow in
Grow in
knowledge
knowledge
and
knowledge
bear
and
fruit
bear
in
fruits in
Bear
active,
fruit
active
in
good.
active
strengthen me
goodness,
and
strengthen
ample
me with
Strengthen
ample
me
power
with
power
ample
to
power
meet
to
whatever
meet
whatever
comes
whatever
in.
comes
comes
in
Fortitude,
fortitude,
patience, and
patience
due
and
diligence,
joy
and
and
joy.
thankful in all
thanks
things.
to do in all
Amen.
things. Amen.
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 Okay. So good afternoon, students. Today we start with the exercise 4.3. And we have done question number 1, 2, and 4th. Now today we are doing question number 3. Start from the question number 3. Okay, insert the rational numbers. How we insert the rational numbers in between. Now see on the screen. Question number 3. Now, question number 3, insert 18 rational numbers. We have done the 1 rational number, 2 rational numbers. Okay, now we are doing the insert 18 rational numbers between 0.1 and 0.2. Okay, so 0.1 and 0.2, 18 rational numbers we have to take out in between. Okay, so how we take out? So how we take out? See here. 0.1, we can write it 1 upon 10 because we have to remove the 0 and we have to put right 10. Okay. So 0.1, we can write it 1 upon 10. And 0.2, we can write 2 upon 10. We remove the 0 and down in the denominator, we have to write 10. Clear? Now, we have to take out the numbers between 1 upon 10 and 2 upon 10. So you have to multiply any number here. Your denominator should be same. So both are 10, 10. So any number you have to write. If I write 20 or 25, you can write 20. 20 here, 20 here, 20 here. 20 ones are 20 and 20 tens are 200. 20 twos are 40 and 20 tens are 200. Okay, so 20 upon 200, 40 upon 200. Now we have the 20 upon 200 here and 40 upon 200. So in between there are many numbers, 20 numbers in between, and we want only 18 numbers. So write 18 numbers in between, 21 upon 200, 22 upon 200, like that. So till 18 numbers you have to write, 21 to 38. Okay, so 38 upon 200, like that. समझ आ गई? So आपने बीच के 80 numbers लिखने हैं. Clear now? Yes. Understood? Give me response, bacha. Yes or no? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay, fine. Next is, your next question is, insert two rational numbers. Question number 5. Now you have to insert two rational numbers between -1/5 and -1/7. -1/5 and -1/7. Now you write two rational numbers. Now by which number you have to multiply it here? So your denominator must be same. We know that in 5 table 35 is coming and in 7 table 35 is coming. है ना? So 35, 35. If I write here 7, and here 5, so it will be 35 here and it will be 35 here. But it will be -7 and -5. In between -5 and -7, only one number is there, -6. But we want two rational numbers. So 7 we cannot write here. So think other number. Think other number in which both the numbers are coming. So we do with the, if 5 or in 5 or 7, which is the common number. One is 35, other is 70. Other is 70. Okay. So 70. So what we write here? It will be 5 14s are 70 and 1 14s are 14. Minus 14 here and here it will be 70. Then 7 10s are 70. Here 10, it is -10. So your numbers in between -10 and -14. So write any two numbers, -11/70, -12/70. Okay. Yes, Mrigakshi. Unmute yourself and ask the question. Yes.
Ma'am, I can't understand this question.
Insert, but two rational numbers you have to find out in between -1/5 and -1/7. So your denominator should be same, always same. So अगर आप करते हो 7 से multiply, 5 7 are 35 and 7 5 are 35. तो 35 से ऊपर वाला नंबर में एक ही नंबर आ रहा है, 5 और 7. In between 5 and 7 only -6 is there. So we cannot take. So take the other number. 35 के बाद 70 नंबर दोनों में कॉमन है. ठीक है, तो हम दोनों में डिनोमिनेटर लिया 70, then multiply in between. In 7 table when 70 comes with the 10, and in 5 table when 70 comes with the 14. So multiply with the 14 and 10. Okay, so -14/70, -10/70. Now you have to take out. Now you have to take out -10/70 and -14/70. इनके बीच में नंबर निकालो. आपको कितने नंबर निकालने हैं? 2 नंबर्स निकालने हैं. राइट एनी 2 नंबर्स. -11/70, -12/70. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the next question? Find the absolute value of the following rational numbers. Okay. Now see the concept. Absolute value. What is the absolute value? This is a sign of absolute value. Okay. This is sign of absolute value. So any number in between, suppose this is 5/7, or if I write -3/8, कुछ भी लिखा हो इन दो लाइंस के बीच में, ये लाइंस जो हैं, ये this is the lines of absolute value. Okay, so answer is in always in positive. Your answer is always in positive.
Positive.
Okay. Yes. So 5/7, answer is 5/7, and -3/8, when we take it out, answer is 3/8. Minus is removed. Okay. Yes, Priyanshi. Unmute yourself.
Explain one more time this question. Ma'am, can you explain this question one more time?
Which question, beta?
Ma'am, fifth question. Insert two rational numbers between minus 5 on 5 and minus 1.7.
Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now all hands down. I cannot write here. Understand the absolute value, then I'll explain again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see here. Minus 13 upon minus 16. So take out the absolute value of this. So what is the absolute? First, we have to cut the minus minus. Answer is 13 upon 16. Okay. If I write 20 upon minus 29, absolute value of this. So we remove the minus with the absolute value. Answer is 20 upon 29. Any number you can take. 13 minus 13 upon 29. Absolute value of this 13 upon 29. We can remove the minus as it is. Positive number as it is positive, and negative number is also be a positive number in absolute value. Okay? Understood all of you? Written? Okay. Now number you have to multiply, your denominator is same. First I said, if you write 35, because in table 5 and 7, what is the common number?
Ma'am,
35, 5 and 0, 5 and 0 only. तो
Yes,
अगर
ma'am.
35 लिखते हो बेटा, तो ऊपर आएगा, यहाँ इससे आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 7 को और यहाँ से करोगे मल्टीप्लाई 5 को, तभी 35 आएगा. तो यहाँ पे भी 7 करोगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? -7. और यहाँ 5 से करोगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? -5. सो -7 और -5 के बीच में सिर्फ एक ही नंबर है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
एक ही नंबर है -6 का,
Yes,
है ना? तो हम ये नहीं ले सकते, हमें चाहिए two numbers. So what we do another. -5, 1/5 minus 1/7, 7 तो कैंसिल हो गया. अब हमें कोई और नंबर लेना है. अब आप कोई 5 का नंबर लो या 0 का नंबर लो, क्योंकि 5 के टेबल में 5 और 0 ही कॉमन है 5 और 7 के बीच में. तो 35 के बाद देखो 7 के टेबल में 45 नहीं आता, 40 नहीं आता, 45 नहीं आता, 50 नहीं आता, 55 नहीं आता, 60 नहीं आता, 65 नहीं, 70 आता है. Then we take the 70. And 5 के टेबल में भी 70 आता है. So 5 के टेबल में 70 और 7 के टेबल में 70, 7 10 का 70, 10 इधर लिया, आ गया -10. इधर लिया हमने 14, 5 70 होता है, तो इधर लिया -14. सो -14 और -10 के बीच में आपने दो नंबर निकालने. कौन कौन से दो नंबर होंगे? -11/70, -12/70, ये -13/70. Yes, Stuti. Stuti, bolo.
Excuse me, ma'am. In the third question, when we have taken 18 rational numbers, we have to convert it into decimal form.
No, decimal numbers you have to convert into fraction, then you have to solve it. No, not in the decimal form. No need.
Okay, ma'am.
At the last, if you want, then you can do, but no need.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. Okay, fine. Now this exercise is finished. Now we have to do the next exercise. Exercise 4.4. Okay. Now in this question, you have to do the addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction. First, we do have to do the addition part. Okay. First is 2/9 plus 5/9. So 9 and 9, both the denominators are same. Yes. So answer is 9 as the same LCM and up one is 2 plus 5. So what is the answer? 7 upon 9. Good. Very good. Yes, Arshdeep. Very good. 7
And
upon 9. Understood all of you? Yes, yes. Good. Now next. Next is if I write minus 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 7. So now both the denominators are different. So we have take the LCM 9 and 7. So LCM is 63. 9 sevens are 63 because 9 and 7 both are not coming in each other table. So we can directly multiply. 9 sevens are 63. Now we have to divide it here with the 63 and multiply here. Okay. So in 9 table when 63 comes 7. 9 sevens are 63. Now we have to multiply 7 here. 7 ones are 7 minus 7 plus. Now in this, in 7 table when 63 comes with the 9. Then you have to multiply it 9 with the 1. 9 ones are 9. So what is the answer? Minus 7 plus 9. Now we have to subtract it because 1 is negative, 1 is positive. So we have to subtract. So 9 minus 7 is 2 and sign of bigger number. Bigger number is 9. So it is plus 2 upon 63. Yes. Yes, very good. All of you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, all are right. Next is 5 upon minus 9 and minus 7 upon 5. Now do it and tell me. Do it. 5 upon minus 9 and minus 7 upon 5. First you have to put the sign up. Minus 5 upon 9. If I write plus here, then plus and minus, minus. So minus 7 upon 5. Again 9 and 5 not coming in one table. So 9 5s are 45. Then again divide and multiply here. 9 5s are 45 and 5 5s are 25. Minus 25. Then minus here. In 5 table 45 comes 9. 5 9s are 45. 9 7s are 63. Now you have to add it. It is 88. Yes, Ariana, right answer. Minus 88 upon 45. Good.
Ma'am, 88. Ma'am, plus 88 upon 45.
No plus 88. Minus 88 because both numbers are negative. Here it is negative. Here it is negative. We have to add. We have to add. But write the with the minus sign. Minus 88 upon 45 because both are negative. So we have to put the minus sign. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next is write this question now. 1 by 5 plus minus 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 35. 1 by 5 plus minus 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 35. First step is to remove the bracket because two signs never come together. Okay. So 1 upon 5 plus and minus, minus 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 35. Now take the LCM of 5, 7 and 35. Take the LCM in the rough. Take out fast. What is the LCM?
Ma'am, 35. 75.
Okay. 35.
35, ma'am. LCM is 35.
LCM is 35. Very good.
LCM is 35.
Yes. Now, what we have to do? Now,
Ma'am,
in 5 table, when 35 comes? 7.
Ma'am,
7 ones are 7 minus. In 7 table, when 35 comes with the 5, 5 threes are 15 plus 35 divided by 35 is 1, 1 twos are 2. Okay. Now, this is positive and this is positive. Minus 15 is negative. So, positive, positive, you have to add first. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 minus 15 upon 35. So, what is the answer? Minus 15 minus 9. कितना आया? 15 minus 9. 6. Minus 6 upon 35. Yes.
Ma'am, how minus?
Yeah. You are writing. I am not able to write, beta. Minus 6 upon 35. Yes. Okay. Others answers are wrong. Those who have written a 10 and 12. Minus 6 upon 35 is the right answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Now this is the question. These are the questions of addition. And find the sum. Now, how minus sign? 15 is negative, na? 15 is negative and 15 is a bigger number. So we get the minus here add out. Okay. Then next is, if I write subtract. Questions are 1 by 2 from 1 by 7. Now how to do it? 1 by 2 from 1 by 7. Now from is there. So it means this is your first term and this is your second term. So 1 by 7 minus 1 by 2. Now same procedure. LCM 7 and 2, 14. And then divide 7 2s are 14 and 2 is here, 2 1s are 2 minus ये किया हमने कितना आ गया 7 7 1s are 7 कितना आ गया what is the answer minus 5 upon
40.
yes minus 5 upon 40
Upon 40.
Samanya by 0 how 0 wrong answer yes rest all right. See the next other parts. Put your hands down. 11 upon 5 from 21 upon 53. 21 upon 53. So it is 21 upon 53 minus 11 upon 5. So take out the LCM. 265. Multiply these two numbers. Yes. 265. Then divide with 53. It will be 5. Then 5 is multiplied with 21. It is 105 minus. Now divide with this. It is 53. 53 multiply by 11. All of you multiply 53 multiply by 11. 583. 583 minus 105. It is now minus 583 is bigger. So answer is in negative. So what is the answer? Minus 478 upon 265. Minus 478 upon 265. Yes. Okay. The same question as simplification you have done. Okay, I give you one more question. Okay, do this. 2 upon 5 minus 11 upon 15 minus 7 upon 50. Do this. Take out the LCM 5, 15 and 50. Now both are related to each other. So please take out the LCM. LCM is 150. ठीक है, तो 150 के साथ किया 5 को पहले, 5 की बारी, कितना आ गया 330, 32 जा 60 माइनस, अब 15 की बारी, 15 को डिवाइड किया के साथ कितना आया 10, 10 11 जा 110, देन 50 को किया से डिवाइड किया कितना आया 3 आया ना, 53 जा 150, 3 7 3 जा 21. Now these two are negative and only 60 is positive. So हम क्या करेंगे 60 minus. Now add these two 110 and 21 minus 131. इनको add कर लो. Now you have to minus 131 में से 60 को minus किया कितना आ गया 71. Yes, minus 71 upon 150. Minus 71 upon 150. Yes, good. All of you understood?
मैसेज भेजो